respected sisters, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Tushar from class 5. Today I am going to do an experiment and the name of my experiment is air contains oxygen which is needed for burning. Now I need 4 things for this experiment. A matchbox, 2 candles and a glass. Now I am going to light up these candles. Now I am going to cover up this candle with the glass. Now you will observe that the candle slowly goes off because it uses up all the oxygen inside the glass, while the other candle keeps burning because it needs to draw oxygen from the air in order to continue burning. Now this shows that air contains oxygen which is needed for burning. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. I am Shlok Chakravarti of class 5. Today I am going to show you insoluble and soluble substances. First, you need a little bit of salt, a little bit of sand, 2 glasses full of water and 2 spoons. Now, first take the salt and put it in the water. Now, stir it very well. Now we can see that the salt is dissolving. Now, you can also see that in the water, the whole salt has dissolved. This shows that salt is a soluble substance. Now take the sand. Put it in the other glass of water. Now stir it for a while. Now we can see that even after stirring, this sand does not dissolve in the water. This shows that this is an insoluble substance. We can see that the 2 glasses have different colors. This shows that salt is an insoluble substance and sand is an insoluble substance. Thank you.
Good morning teachers and sisters. I am Nishta Shaha from class 5. So today I am going to show one experiment on solution. So here I have glucose as solute and water as solvent. So the question is, what is solvent and solute? The substance in which other substance can dissolve is called solvent, and the substance which is being dissolved is called solute. So now I am going to pour some water in this empty glass. And now some glucose. So this is the solution of glucose. The conclusion part is we get a solution of glucose in which glucose acts as solute and water acts as solvent. Thank you.
Good morning, respected sister, principal and Maria, respected sisters, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Medha Raut of class 5 of St. Mary's Convent School. Today I am going to show a science experiment on soluble substances. Firstly, I am going to tell what is a solution. When 2 substances are combined together in such a way that they are evenly spread and mixed with each other is called a solution. Now what is a solvent? the substance in which we are going to mix another substance to make a solution is called solvent. And what is the solute? The substance which we are going to mix in the solvent is called solute. Solvent and solute together make a solution. So as my topic is soluble substances, so I have taken two soluble substances, which is sugar and salt, and my solvent is water. Water is also known as universal solvent. So let's test the experiment to see what happens. Firstly, I'm gonna take 1 spoon of salt and mix it in the water. Wow, as we can see, salt has fully dissolved in the water and has made a solution. Now let's test in sugar. What happens when we mix sugar in the water? Sugar takes some time, but it also gets fully dissolved in the water, which makes another solution. So here is my experiment is completed. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, my respected sisters, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Sekade from class 5. Today I am going to show this experiment and I am going to show insoluble substances. So I have taken over here salt, oil, and sand. Now I will put this into one glass of water. So at first I am taking this salt and put this in water. Now I will mix it. So over here the salt is soluble, and now I have to take this oil and put this into this water and mix it. So over here we can see that oil is insoluble. Now sand. Now we have to mix it. So we can see that in this three, sand and oil is insoluble. Thank you.
Good morning, sister. Good morning, ma'am. Today I will giving a sexual presentation. Firstly, we should discuss what is a soluble substance. We know that substance that dissolve in water, that is called soluble substance. Now we are going to see that what are the examples of soluble substance. Here I have taken few glasses and bowls. They are sugar, salt, glucose, oil and sand. Now taste the soluble substance of the following. I have taken 5 glasses of water. Then I will start mixing the substance one by one to water to find out with so first we take the sugar and then mix in water. It is dissolved in water. Then next salt. It also dissolved in water. Then glucose. It also mix in water. Then oil. This is not dissolved in water. Then last is sand. This is not also dissolved in water. Now I will mix With water we can see there is sugar with water, mix in water. Then salt is also mixed in water and glucose is also mixed in water. So it is a soluble substance. Therefore we can that among the substance taken takes sugar, salt, glucose and sugar are the soluble substance. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning all of you. Today I will show the experiment of sedimentation and decantation. First we will take a glass of water and a glass of mud. Then we will mix it together. Then we will leave it for 5 to 10 minutes.
Ready.
After leaving it 5 to 10 minutes, we can see the water and the mud formating a layer. This is called sedimentation. The definition of sedimentation is sedimentation is a process in which particles of an insoluble solids and liquids settle down. Thank you.
Start.
We will transfer the water in the glass. This clear water is called sedimentation and there is a muddy water. Thank you.
My name is Abdul Said, class 5. I am reading in St. Mary's Convent School. I am doing the science project. My topic is solute and solvent. Sugar and salt is called solute. Water is called solvent. Now I am taking sugar in water. It is the mixture of sugar and water. This is called solution. Now I am taking salt in water. It is the mixture of salt and water. This is called solution. Now I am doing the sedimentation. This is called soil. Now I am taking soil in water. This is the mixture of soil and water. This is called sedimentation. We have to wait for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, now I am separating the water from soil. This is called decantation. Now I am doing the filtration. I am taking the sand in water. This is the mixture of sand and water. Now I am doing the filtering. This is called the filtration. Thank you and have a nice day.